Incoming device is Samsung Galaxy Note 2. Rear camera lens does not appear to be cracked. Front glass, well, the front camera doesn't appear to be obstructed, but taking a look at the actual device, there are cracks on the upper right hand and lower left hand corner. But if looking a little bit closer, there's actually a crack in the upper area of the device that spans into the, I believe, the LCD, which is causing it to black out. And there actually might be cracks spanning across here as well, but it's mainly why the device has failed. So we're not able to test whether any of the key functions, but we do know that it's taking incoming charge current of 1.1 amperes.
Now I know how to answer because when the phone rings, I just know the position of it, so I'll just take my finger and go like that. That'll answer.
So you're still able to touch it. It's just that the glass, the picture's blacked out.
The picture's blacked out. I'm still able to touch it. It's just that I just can't get it because it just started fading out on its own last night. It started getting darker and darker.
All of them have 128 gigabytes.
We'll go on and take a look at the parts cost and see how much it'll be for
32.